Welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about how to which color of paste we have to use for our brushing of our teeth. White color is preferable because if you use other colors, there will be, if there is any bleeding gums, it will mask the bleeding gums, because if you use other dark colors, there will be masking of facts, because if you use white color, if a patient having any bleeding gums, so there will be in that foaming, we can see the blood tinted spit we can see. So the white color is preferable to know whether your oral cavity or gum tissue is bleeding or not. So this will be very useful. Bleeding gums will be so many causative factors for bleeding gums will be many more, because if there is any tartar deposition or calculus or any irritant, chronic irritant in the gingival crevices, and any sharpened edge of this cuspal edge or any tooth surface will probe the gingival tissue, may leads to bleeding gums. So bleeding gums can be cured by specialist MDS periodontist can cure this bleeding gums by doing scaling, because of etiology of reason. He will remove the calculus all over the tooth surface, buccal surface, lingual surface, labial surface, interdental surface, palatal surface, and mandibular surface, and maxillary area, upper maxillary area or lower mandibular area. He will remove the calculus or tartar or any food deposition in between the interdental spaces or in the gingival crevices by hand scaling or this cavitron machine. So bleeding gums, so many vitamin C deficiency also will leads to scurvy, means bleeding gums. So there will be profuse blood oozing from the gingival tissue. This can be cured by taking plenty of vitamin C, that ascorbic acid or citrus fruits can minimize and completely cured this bleeding gums by gingival tissue. So vitamin C supplementation should be daily, twice or once or twice. Vitamin C 500 mg chewable tablets are preferable. Limc, Suxi, like that 500 milligrams tablet once or twice, depending upon situation and the chronicity of bleeding gums of a patient. So this oral hygiene should be maintained properly without any calculus deposits or tartar deposits or interdental food impaction. So every 15 days, because some patients will have so much of a distance between interdental spaces. So in these cases, the patient every 15 days or 20 days or 1 month, the patient should visit a dentist serially, and he will remove all the food debris in between the interdental spaces, and the swollen gums will be subsided, and there won't be any bleeding gums from the oral cavity while doing brushing. some patients will take, the dentist will prescribe or suggest smooth bristle brush. The brush which contains smooth bristles, it is preferable to do with smooth bristle brush brushing technique. So in chronic patients, the smooth bristles also will cause bleeding gums, because the chronicity of this gingival tissue, if you put on pressure with our fingers, there will be profuse bleeding from the gingival tissue. Even in chronicity of this bleeding gums may leads to pyorrhea. This chronic suppurative periodontitis, most commonly in chronic smokers, chain smokers, and chronic pan chewing habit. The patient continuous or chronic, those patients who will take pan chewing habit, or chewing gum powders, or chewing this pan parag, or raja khaini, or tobacco chewing, or betel nut chewing, or pan chewing, or any pungent powder chewing will enhance the damage to gingival tissue, may leads to bleeding gums, and it may leads to chronic, it may leads to malignant cancers also, like lichen planus, and sometimes there will be fibrosis of oral cavity, and there will be squamous cell carcinoma of the tongue, or buccal tissue, or labial tissue, or gingival tissue, or palatal surface, or throat area. There will be squamous cell carcinoma. Chronic irritant of any etiology will leads to malignancy of the oral cavity. Especially the chronic irritation of cuspal edge, molar teeth, or premolars, or canine will leads to chronic irritation on edges of this tongue, also will leads to carcinoma of the tongue also, because chronic irritation of any etiology will leads to malignant transformation of tissues in oral cavity. Suppose if a patient having a habit of chronic tobacco chewing, or pan parag, or raja kaini, or nut powders, or this different pungent nut powders chewing habit will leads to fibrosis, means fibrosis of oral cavity, and trismus conditions, means inability in opening of mouth is clinical. Trismus is a clinical condition in which the patient will complaining of inability in opening of mouth. There will be flaccidity of buccal muscles on both sides, left side and the right side, and there will be contraction and flaccidity, hardness of fibrosis of buccal muscles, so that the patient can't open the mouth in 5 centimeters or 6 centimeters like that. So in that pan chewing habit, there will be fibrosis of buccal mucosa, leads to trismus conditions. So we have to choose the white paste for maintaining our oral prophylaxis in hygienic and healthy conditions, and oxygenated conditions, and pinkish rejuvenated condition of oral cavity. You use peanut size of this white paste, and first you have to apply with the point finger to all the buccal surfaces, occlusal surfaces, incisal surfaces, and palatal surfaces, and labial surfaces on both the sides, and upper maxillary and mandibular area, and dip it in water, dip the brush in water and do it upward downs and downwards up, like that. You should not do it forward and backward movement. Forward and backward movement, just like saw cutting on a log. If carpenter will cut the log by forward and backward movement of a saw, will cut the log, like that. We should not only circles are upside down, upside teeth downwards, downside mandibular teeth upwards. This is a technique of doing brushing. So the white paste never masks the fats, because the bleeding gums can be easily identify whether the patient is having bleeding gums or any scurvy or any infected gums simply by using white paste, so that there will be blood streaks or blood, the foam will be tinted with blood. So we can easily identify the by regular usage of this white paste. If a patient complaining of this bleeding gums, if he is using regular red paste, the red paste will mask the facts of bleeding gums. So better every patient should use white color. Will easily patient can identify whether his gums are bleeding or not by the tinted blood in the foaming of this brushing, while brushing of teeth. So clove base and this spicy pastes and natural pastes are very effective in keeping your gums intact. The gumfosis, the natural joint between the teeth and the mandibular or maxillary bone is called gumfosis. Gumfosis will help in keeping our 32 teeth in firm condition and cushioning condition, and to help in hard consistency and extra hard consistency and soft consistency and medium consistency food in chewable and adaptable and masticative condition and grinding condition. So gumfosis, every patient should maintain our oral prophylaxis or oral hygiene in healthy conditions, so that our food will be digested and ingested or assimilated, and there will be good metabolism in the liver. So the salivary juice itself in the oral cavity, the parotid glands and sublingual glands and submandibular glands will eject the salivary juice in the grinding situation, grinding while taking food. There will be mixing of salivary juice from different salivary glands, and it will make food into bolus conditions with enriching of enzymes and proteins and essential elements and minerals, and this food will go into gastrointestinal stomach area, so that the hydrochloric acid furtherly it will help in good digestion of these carbohydrates, proteins, fats and essential elements. So the ingestion, absorption and assimilation and metabolism will be very easy. If the patient mouth is in zero stomach conditions, the food will stick onto occlusal surface, buccal surface, labial surface, lingual surface, incisal surface, interdental spaces and cuspal edges, and there will be halitosis problem. So zero stomach conditions should be overtaken by taking excess of citrus fruits, vitamin C supplementation, ascorbic acid and chewable vitamin C once or twice daily, or plenty of these intake of vitamin C, lemon juice or mousambi or pineapple or this pamparapanasa, and like that orange will enhance the vitamin C supplementation. It will control the bleeding gums, and bleeding gums furtherly leads to halitosis from the oral cavity. So the white paste will judge your gums whether the gums are bleeding or not, because the blood streaked or blood tinted foam will automatically tell your gums are bleeding, because there will be tartar deposition or calculus deposit or food deposits in between the teeth, and there will be plaque formation at the abutment area, means anterior abutment may grab this food debris around the coronal area of the teeth, and the posterior abutment may first molar or second molar or third molar also may grab. There will be food deposition at the coronal area of this molar or premolar or canine or any teeth. There will be concrete and adhesive deposition of food at the coronal area, and it will leads to concrete deposition at the abutment areas also, or interdental areas also, or in the crevices of this gum tissue sometimes, and it may leads to periodontal pockets also. So bleeding gums can be easily identified by using this white paste, and if you have any blood streaks or blood tinted foamy sputum, definitely you have to visit a dentist, and the periodontal specialist will clean the teeth thoroughly and check the all the gingival tissue, whether there are any periodontal pockets or any calculus, tartar or food deposits, or peel of a green apple or red apple, or any fibrous or chicken fiber deposits in the gingival crevices or in the interdental spaces also may bleed, or there will be chances of periodontal pocket. Patient may have periodontal pockets, and even this chicken fiber deposit also will results in bad breath from the oral cavity of a patient. So bleeding gums can be easily identified by regular habit of brushing with white paste instead of other colors, because other colors will mask the facts of this bleeding gums. So thank you so much for watching JRTV. Please press bell button so that every update from JRTV will be updated to you. Please comment on uploading videos so that your comments are our best stimulations. Your comments are our best energizers. Your comments are our best extra added supporting words to JRTV channel. Your comments are extra added backbone to JRTV channel. Please Share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle. Please share it in your big student circle. Please share it in your big international clientele circle, so that every update from JRTV will be updated to them. Thank you so much for watching. JRTV signing off.